Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Get ready because today we're diving into the wonderful world of setting sprays and powders. These magical potions are the key to keeping your makeup looking absolutely flawless all day long. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to melting foundation and hello to long-lasting glam, then keep on watching. Alright my lovelies, let's kick things off with setting sprays. These little bottles of magic can make a world of difference in your makeup routine. And trust me, this first tip is a game changer. It's something that can elevate your makeup game to the next level. Before you even think about misting that gorgeous face of yours, make sure you give your setting spray a really good shake. Like, really shake it. This isn't just a casual shake, you need to put some muscle into it. This is super important because it mixes up all those amazing ingredients inside, ensuring they're evenly distributed for the absolute best results. You want every drop to be as effective as possible. We don't want any separation or settling happening in the bottle, right? When the ingredients separate, you won't get the full benefits of the product. Shaking it up guarantees that every spritz is pure magic. So take a moment, give it a good shake, and then enjoy the flawless finish it provides. Your makeup will thank you. Now, when it comes to actually applying setting spray, remember that distance is your best friend. It's not just about spraying, it's about how you spray. The right technique can make all the difference in achieving that flawless, long-lasting finish. Hold the bottle about 8 to 10 inches away from your face and mist it on in a gentle, even layer. This distance ensures that the spray is evenly distributed, covering your entire face without drenching any particular area. Think of it like you're giving your makeup a soft, refreshing rain shower, not a power wash. The goal is to lightly set your makeup, not to soak it. A gentle mist will help your makeup stay in place and look fresh all day. Getting too close can actually disrupt your makeup and leave it looking patchy or uneven. When the spray is too concentrated in one area, it can cause your foundation and other products to break down. So step back, spray, and let the magic happen. By maintaining the right distance, you ensure a smooth, even application that enhances your makeup's longevity and appearance. Enjoy the confidence of a flawless finish. Let's move on to setting powders, shall we? And my go-to has to be translucent powder. This stuff is a lifesaver, especially if you want a natural, seamless finish that won't alter the colour of your foundation. It's like a magic eraser for shine, blurring out imperfections and giving you that airbrushed effect. Plus, it helps to absorb excess oil throughout the day, keeping your makeup looking fresh for hours on end. Now, my loves, let's talk about one of the most common makeup mistakes. I know it's tempting to go overboard with the powder, but trust me on this one, less is definitely more. It's all about balance and knowing when to stop. Overpowdering can actually make your makeup look cakey, dry, and emphasize any fine lines or texture. This can age your skin and make it look less fresh and vibrant. Instead, use a light hand and a fluffy brush to apply powder only to the areas where you tend to get oily, like your T-zone. This technique helps control shine without overloading your skin. Remember, we're going for a natural, radiant finish, not a powdered donut look. A little bit of powder goes a long way in achieving that flawless, glowing complexion. Here's a little secret for the ultimate long-lasting makeup look. Always use a setting spray after applying your powder. This dynamic duo creates an impenetrable force field against melting, fading, and creasing. The setting spray helps to melt the powder into your foundation, creating a seamless, airbrushed finish that will withstand anything life throws your way. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. And be sure to let me know in the comments down below what your go-to setting sprays and powders are. I'm always on the lookout for new faves. See you in the next one. Bye.